Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Managers, riders, parents to please assemble for the closing ceremony of the 6th Inter-District Road Cycling Championship 2021. We are going to begin our closing ceremony and the prize distribution in a short time. May I have the attention of the riders, district officials and participants, parents. We are going to start the program now. To begin with, successfully conducted by Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association on 13th and 14th. This event is not just one of those inter-district road cycling championship, but a history has been made in India by introducing new age group to tap the younger talent, that is 6 to 11 years, first time in India, in Telangana state. As a state championship, it wouldn't have been possible without our president, the legendary cyclist India has ever produced, Dr. Maxwell Trevor. I would like to call upon Dr. Maxwell Trevor on the stage, the man behind. A big cheers for Dr. Maxwell Trevor. Now, I would like to call upon our guest of honor, Sri A. Venkateswar Reddy Garu, Chairman, Sports Authority of India. I would like to request Dr. Maxwell Trevor to please escort him to the stage. A big cheers for our Chairman, Sports Authority of Telangana State, Sri A. Venkateswar Reddy Garu. Now I would like to call upon our President of Telangana Cycling Association and Vice President Cycling Federation of India, Sri P. Mallareddy Garu. A big cheers for Sri P. Mallareddy Garu as well. Sir, we welcome you to the closing ceremony of 6th Inter-District Road Cycling Championship. And it was an excellent event conducted under the aegis of Telangana Cycling Association by Sri P. Mallareddy Garu. And the events were conducted very successful manner. We had excellent riders on 13th of November and 14th, that is today, we conducted mass starts for all the age groups, starting from under 14 to men elite category. This is first time in India a history has been made in the state of Telangana, that we have, with the blessings of Cycling Federation of India and the consent of the President, Telangana Cycling Association, Sri P. Mallareddy Garu, to allow us to conduct a state level championship for 6 years to 11 years age category. This was the first of its kind in India that a state level championship has been conducted for the age groups of 6 to 7, 8 to 9, and 10 to 11 boys and girls. This is a huge thing. And now I would like to call upon the district unit presidents in the state of Telangana's cycling history, that both the events were covered in a video form and that has been projected on a closing ceremony as well. It's a very big thing. And now I would request our President, Dr. Maxwell Trevor, to please escort and call upon our Vice President of Dr. Maxwell Trevor Welfare Association, Sri Sanjeeva Reddy Garu, Vice President, Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association. This event wouldn't have been possible without the support of Telangana Cycling Association as well as the core committee members of Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association. I would also like to call upon and honor them for the contribution for smooth conducting of this event. At the outset, I would like to call our Treasurer, Lorraine Trevor. Next, our Joint Secretary, Paul Ross. Joint Secretary, Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association, to please come on the stage and share the stage with the dignitaries. Lorraine Trevor, Treasurer, Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association. Calling upon our executive member, assistant coach, Alladi Krishna, to please share the stage with the dignitaries on the stage. This event wouldn't have been a big success without you all, along with the core committee members of Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Welfare Association. Now, we would like to begin with the clips and the video bites of our event. But before that, I would like to call the district units, presidents and general secretaries as well, because they are the part of the community who make this event successful as well. I would like to call upon Shri B. Vijayakant Rao Garu, Nizamabad District, General Secretary Nizamabad, and Treasurer Telangana Cycling Association, to share the stage with the dignitaries. I would also like to call upon the observer of this 6th Inter-District State Road Cycling Championship, Shri J. Manohar Kumar Garu, State Olympic Association, Telangana State, to please stay the dais with the dignitaries. Shri Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, SATS Observer, Telangana State, to share the stage with the dignitaries. Shri J. Venkat Narsaya, General Secretary, Siddipet District. Shri Srinath Garu, Mahbubad, Warangal. Shri G.S. Pandu, Adilabad District, General Secretary. Shri K. Dharmateja, Yadadri, Bhavangiri District. Shri Ramesh, Rangareddy District. A big claps for all of these dignitaries, district officials, who come along a long way to promote this sport and also made this event a grand success. I would also like to call upon Shri Praveen Kumar Garu, MPTC, Godumakunta, to share the dais with the dignitaries, and also the Rampalli Daira Sarpanch, Shri Andal Mallesh Garu. Now, I would also like to call upon Shri Satyam Garu, Director of Gautami Defence Academy, Shri Satyam Garu, to please share the dais. Let's hear it up for the great accommodation and hospitality, Shri K. Satyam Garu. We also have Shri K. Venkatesh Garu, Councillor, Kundanpalli, to please share the dais with the honorable dignitaries. Now, Principal of Gautami Defence Academy, Srimati Gautami Garu. Let us also take a look at the excellent work done by Zone Ads. The events were covered successfully in a video form by Zone Ads. Let us take a look at the close snippets of these 2 wonderful days of 6th Inter-District Road Cycling Championship 2021.
organized by Dr. Maxwell Travers Cycling Welfare Association under the aegis of Telangana Cycling Association.
A big kudos to Zonads for setting a state road cycling championship to the international standards. This is first time in the history of cycling that a premier telecast has been shown of what actually has happened during the event. Part of the event, we will start with a short medal ceremony. I would also like to take this honor to call upon Shri Sudhakar Reddy Garu, Subedar Major, Gautami Defence Academy, to please come on the dais. It is an honor to have you, sir, on the stage. Let's applaud and cheer up the winners. It's their hard work for years and years. They have worked hard to achieve, and we must ensure that the encouragement is always there. Shri P. Mallareddy Garu. His words are always motivating, encouraging, and there is some wisdom in his speech. I thank you once again, sir, for giving the opportunity to all. And we have the privilege and honor today, Shri K. Sajanuddin Saab, Chief Guest of today's closing ceremony, Deputy Inspector General of Police, Southern Sector CRPF. We grandly welcome you, sir. Congratulations to the winners. Now, the iconic and historic race event which was conducted for the first time in India. History has been created in the state of Telangana as well as India to honor the winners. First time state level championship for 6 years to 11 years age group. Please cheer up for the young talent. They are the next future champions of Indian cycling.